Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to my channel. I'm not sure whether to cheer or not at this moment in time. As you can see, I have received at long last the definitive set from the Royal Mint for 2023. I am recording this on January the 1st. I received them on, I think it was December, around just before Christmas, one of the last posts before Christmas. I think it was either the 19th or 20th, something around there. They had a leading of 6 to 8 weeks. I ordered mine at 9:15 on the actual day of release. I received them 11.5 weeks later. This is not acceptable from Royal Mint. They have order numbers, they have dates of order, they have the information on whether people have paid. So why, oh why, oh why, oh why, oh why can I not send them out in the order that they are? Send them out as soon as they get, say, 50 sets. The first 50 sets that have been ordered are the ones that receive them. It's called FIFO, first in, first out, and it's been a computing thing for the best part of 50 years, and I know because I was a computer lecturer. There is absolutely no reason whatsoever having a unique order number, having the date and time of the order, and also how many units were ordered, that they cannot send them out in order. It's just pure laziness on the Royal Mint's part for them not doing it, and it's unforgivable. I, as I said, ordered at 9:15 on the day of issue, and I didn't get them for 11 weeks. People ordered 2, 3, 4 weeks after me and got them within 10 days. This is not acceptable, Royal Mint, if you're watching or listening, which I doubt very much, or if you are, you're going to ignore it anyway, because that's the old mantra. As long as people are giving you money, you don't care. Or that seems to be the attitude. However, I've had my little rant now. Here is the definitive set. I ordered 2 of them. One of them will stay as it is, which is this one. The other one I will open up and I will take out of the plastic thing and put them into flips and put them into my master collection. This is the better of the 2 sets. I've managed to re-stick it down. It was, as you can see, it's not fully, can you see that bouncing? And it's not properly seated. I managed to re-stick it down, so it's, at least it looks reasonable. We have on these, if we take a look at one of the coins, let's zoom right in and take a look. Whoops. Yes, let's choose the TP. Oh, I've lost my pointy stick. Where's it gone? Oh, I've lost my pointy stick. Help. There it is. As you'll be able to see, just at the nape of the neck of Charles, there is a crown. These show that they are the definitive sets that came out of the Royal Mint. Brilliantly uncirculated. Look at that, it's awful. We have the new definitive set anyway. The 1p shows the dormouse. The 2p shows the red squirrel. Now if you look down the left hand third, you have a design with 3 interlinked C's. This is to signify Charles III. The 5p is the oak leaves. The 10p is the capercaillie, which is a form of grass mainly found in the Scottish Highlands and in the Scottish woodlands. The 20p is a puffin, One of my favourite birds, actually. To see them flying around wild I saw them in the Farne Islands, which is up in Northumberland. We sort of got a boat out to sea houses and went across the islands and got attacked by terns because we were walking past their nests on the ground, and went up onto the plateau and we could see the puffins going in and out of their burrows with sand eels for their young because of the time of year that we were there. Then to me, probably the weakest coin in the set is the salmon. Now, it's a weak coin because it's been used by other countries. I believe Iceland have had one, certainly Ireland have had one, and you'd have thought they could have come up with something better. The one thing that this set is missing is something to do with royalty. And maybe on the 50p, which is one of the most used currencies that we have, perhaps they could have had, or maybe the £2 coin, they could have had something like the Beasts of the Nations, which was the runner-up in the original £1, 12-sided £1 coin design. Fantastic design, and I think that would have gone better in this set. This I don't like. I don't think it's a good coin. I don't think it's a strong design. It's nice enough, but it's not a strong design, in my view, and I think it's probably the weakest coin of the lot. The £1 coin with the bees on, I believe, is going to be the new Striker Own. That starts on the 2nd of January, which is a day after I am doing this review. If you go along to the Royal Mint Experience and you strike your own coin, it will be the £1 honeybees, the new one. They've also had a Strike Your Own with the salmon 50p, which I did a review on early on last month. I think it's later, it's just after Christmas. Last month I did the salmon Strike Your Own review. So we're getting a second one from this set, which I'm a little disappointed about. I had a bet on with one or two others that it might well be the Royal National Lifeboat Institute 50p, but it wasn't. It was this £1 coin, which in the long run is not a bad thing because it's a nice coin. The other one I have a bit of a problem with is the £2 coin. It's not the design, because the design's okay, but we have had this design on the £1 coin previously. If we're going to have a new set of coins, which is rather defeating my thing of what I'm saying about the beasts, I understand, but if you're designing a brand new set, why are you rehashing an old design on the £1 coin that was on the £1 coin and moving it to the £2 coin in a slightly different design? I don't understand the logic of the thinking. No, it just doesn't seem to work that well for me personally. I'm not saying that it's bad design, I'm just saying it doesn't work for me. I would have liked to have seen something more innovative, yeah? Something different, something new, something exciting. The Flowers of the Nation is not exciting. It's a stale design that they try to rehash, in my opinion. I'm sure there'll be many people who disagree with me and say it's a decent coin, and it is a decent coin. It's not a bad design, but it's an old design that they've rehashed. And when this is supposed to be a brand new idea set, to rehash an old design and just give it a new coat of paint, so to speak, is not redesigning the coin. It's rehashing an old design that wasn't particularly popular. In fact, the £1 coin, it was one of the worst £1 coins that we ever had for several years, the Flowers of the Nation, but there you go. What do I know? I'm only a coin collector. So, what do you think of this overall set? Do you think it would have been improved by having got rid of the Flowers of the Nation and perhaps using a different 50p design? Am I being overly critical? Please say in the comments. I'm not precious about my comments. I will say that I'm not always right, which I'm not, but it's an opinion I have. You don't have to agree with it. Tell me if you think I'm being overly critical. If you've enjoyed this video, my criticisms withstanding or not, please could you give me the thumbs up. If you've enjoyed several of my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? As of January the 1st, I have 271 subscribers, and I am looking to improve that figure over the next 12 months. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins that you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you can buy the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Thank you for staying till the end of the video, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.